Have you ever heard a story so powerful that it made you pause and question everything? A story that didn't just touch your heart, but changed your perspective forever. This is one such story. Ayaan was a young boy born in a small, forgotten village where dreams didn't matter, and hope was just a word. His family had very little. His father worked as a laborer, and his mother stitched clothes to make ends meet. But Ayaan had a spark in his eyes, and a dream in his heart, to do something big, to change his life, and maybe, one day, the lives of others. Every morning before the sun rose, Ayaan would leave his mud house, and walk 10 miles to attend school. He wore torn shoes, carried books donated by a kind teacher, and often studied on an empty stomach. People in the village mocked him. They said education was useless for someone like him, but Ayaan kept walking. He kept believing. Then, life hit him with the kind of pain that could break anyone. His father fell sick and passed away. The burden of the entire family fell on Ayaan's young shoulders. He had to drop out of school. There were bills to pay, mouths to feed, and no time to chase dreams. He began working as a cleaner in a nearby town, wiping floors during the day, and taking care of his younger siblings at night. But even in those darkest days, he didn't let go of his dream. After work, Ayaan would sit under streetlights with a borrowed book in his hands. He read, studied, and prepared, quietly, patiently, and with unshakable faith. Years passed. Ayaan came across a scholarship opportunity to study abroad. He had no money, no connections, just a heart full of hope and a story to tell. He wrote an essay about his life, about his struggles, and his belief in rising above them. That essay changed everything. He was selected. Ayaan became the first person in his village to step on a plane, the first to attend university overseas. He studied hard, earned degrees, and today, he's not only a successful entrepreneur, but also a motivational speaker. More importantly, he has started an organization that funds the education of hundreds of underprivileged children, just like he once was. Ayaan turned his pain into power. He didn't let his circumstances define his future. He proved that it doesn't matter where you start. What matters is where you decide to go. Maybe you're going through something difficult right now. Maybe you feel stuck, lost, or unsure. But like Ayaan, you have a choice. You can surrender, or you can fight. You can quit, or you can rise. Your current situation is not your final destination. You have the strength to rewrite your story. All you need is belief. So don't give up. Not now, not ever, because sometimes, all it takes is one story to change your life forever. Your current situation is not your final destination. You have the strength to rewrite your story. All you need is belief. So don't give up. Not now, not ever, because sometimes, all it takes is one story to change your life forever.